Microsoft released an updated version of their popular chatbot Copilot in select countries. It costs $20 a month, but you might see a different price based off of currency exchange rates depending on which country you're in. With this monthly subscription, you no longer need to have a business with a minimum of 300 employees. You can take advantage of all of the additional pro features the Copilot has to offer just as an individual user. Is Copilot Pro worth paying for? Stay tuned until the end of the video and I'll share my thoughts on whether it's worth you paying for the service or sticking with the free version. The difference between Copilot Free and Copilot Pro is the Pro version gives you priority access to GPT-4 Turbo. It gives you faster performance and completing tasks more efficiently. You'll also be able to take advantage of Copilot in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook, having an Office 365 subscription. The subscription does cost extra. You would have to get a Copilot Pro subscription and have a Microsoft 365 subscription in order to take advantage of both and have them talking to each other. You'll also get enhanced features with DALL-E 3. You'll get 100 boosts per day, which is Microsoft's version of giving you priority access when it comes to generating your images. To get started, navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. You will have to have a Microsoft account. You can create one easily for free. This is the free version of Copilot, and it functions and works very similarly to the way that ChatGPT does. But you'll notice here, there's also now a call out to give you an opportunity to upgrade to Copilot Pro. So I'm going to upgrade it. I'm going to come back to you in a second. Once you complete the subscription, Microsoft will bring you back to Copilot, and you can see now here in the top, it no longer just says Copilot. It says Copilot Pro. And if I scroll down to the different conversation styles, I'll click on Creative, for example. I now get options to switch between GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo. Another thing that Microsoft talked about was enabling the ability to create custom GPTs, just like ChatGPT can do. But as of the making of this video, Microsoft hasn't gone live yet with the feature, but it is something that Copilot Pro is getting, and it should be coming out soon, and I can always make a video about that in the future. I'm going to demonstrate just the speed and agility of Copilot Pro, and I'm going to give it a challenging prompt to write the beginning of an interactive mystery story where the reader makes decisions that influence the outcome, including several branching paths and potential endings, each with its own logical and satisfying resolution. Let's see how fast Copilot Pro can pull this off. So here we go. Just in a matter of seconds, you have a full intro to a story, you have several branching paths, and then you have a selection of choices that you can pick in order to continue. So really, Copilot Pro gets this done in a matter of seconds, and the speed is a lot different than you would see in the regular Copilot. I'm also going to demonstrate a prompt on DALL-E 3 within Copilot Pro generating an image and the speed at which it does that and the quality that it presents. Here are the results. It does still open it in Microsoft's Image Creator, but now they've renamed it Image Creator from Designer. And if you wanted to continue to adjust it, you could download it, but you could also continue editing it in Designer if you wish. But here's an example of some images, and this was done very, very quickly. Using Copilot with an extra Microsoft 365 subscription can really be useful for power users. In Word, for example, you can ask Copilot to write a draft of a blog post using only just a prompt that you provide. Once that document is written, you can ask Copilot to rewrite specific sections of the document to make it more concise, conversational, or professional. Or you could just simply chat with Copilot to ask it for help on how to enhance the document further. The additional benefit of using Copilot within Word is you can have it summarize existing documents with relevant key points to save you time if you're being asked to summarize and deliver a topic that you've written already. In PowerPoint, Copilot can create an entire presentation for you just with one prompt. It'll create the talking points, it'll create the pictures, it'll create the slides, all with just a single prompt. And this also includes creating slides with accompanying slide templates and color palettes to keep your presentations consistent. So if you're somebody who has a small business and you have a specific template style that you use or a color palette that you use, Copilot can also adjust and it can create presentations based on your company's branding. Like with Word, Copilot can also summarize PowerPoint presentations for you, give you speaking notes, pull out the main themes, and you can use them as your talking points while you're giving your presentation. In Excel, you can use Copilot to take your data, analyze it, and give you key insights that you might have missed or present your data visually in a different way, all by chatting with Copilot exclusively. Now, should you upgrade to Copilot Pro? I would only recommend upgrading if you are a power user of Copilot or want to enhance your workflow if you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription or are looking to get one and have the two complement each other. Otherwise, the free version works great and can help you with most tasks if you're willing to just wait a little bit longer in order to allow Copilot to do what it needs to do. But what if you're a ChatGPT Plus user? Should you switch? Both chatbots offer the same functionality with the exception of Copilot being integrated into the Microsoft suite of apps. If you're looking for a comparison between Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT and you want to know how they perform in various tasks and image creations, click on this video right here.